You know, it's funny how sometimes the most common, everyday things, the stuff we see and use all the time, can hold the most fascinating secrets. Today, we're going to uncover a huge idea about language itself, and our whole journey starts with just one super simple word: bulb.
So, to get to the bigger picture, we've got to start small. Let's really dig into what we already know about this word. I mean, what does bulb actually mean? Well, as it turns out, it really depends on what you're talking about.
First up, we've got the one we're probably all picturing in our heads right now. According to the Simple English Wiktionary, a bulb is, and I'm paraphrasing here, a solid thing with one big round end and another thin end. Yep, a light bulb. Simple enough, right?
But wait, there's more. The very same source gives us a totally different definition. The bulb-shaped part of a plant's root, like an onion or a tulip bulb you might stick in the garden. So right off the bat, this one little word is showing us how versatile it can be.
Okay, but here's where it gets really interesting. It's not just what the definitions are, but how they're written. The language is so clear, so direct. It's almost like we can dissect these simple explanations to see how they work.
So check out the example sentence for the first definition. Can you change that bulb, please? It's broken. Just think about those words. Can, you, change, that, please, it's broken. They're all super common words we use every single day. There's literally zero confusion.
And the second example? It's the exact same deal. People can buy tulip bulbs and grow them at home. Again, it's perfectly straightforward. But here's the thing. This intentional simplicity, it's not an accident. It's actually a clue.
This simplicity is a breadcrumb trail, and it's leading us to something way bigger, a secret that's been hiding in plain sight this whole time on that same webpage. It's an entire system, and our humble little word bulb is the key that's about to unlock it all.
And here it is. This is the big reveal. Tucked away on the page is this one crucial line. Bulb is on the Basic English 850 list. The Basic English 850 list. Okay, what in the world is that?
850. This number right here, this is the magic number. It's the total number of words in a special, stripped-down version of the English language. A version designed for one thing above all else: clarity.
You see, that list of 850 words is the foundation, the bedrock of a system called Basic English. And all those simple definitions and examples we just looked at, they're written using only words from that core list. This is where everything clicks into place.
So let's break it down. The Basic English 850 list is exactly what it sounds like, a core vocabulary of 850 must-have words. It's the engine behind resources like the Simple English Wiktionary, and the whole thing was designed from the ground up for clarity to make communication easier for everyone all around the world.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Only 850 words? Isn't that incredibly limiting? But that's kind of missing the point. The whole philosophy here isn't to hold you back or restrict what you can say. The real goal is to maximize how many people can understand what you're saying, no matter who they are or where they come from. So, think about the journey we just took. We started with a single, ordinary word, followed the clues, and ended up uncovering this powerful system built for global communication. It's a pretty bright idea when you think about it. And here's the big takeaway. The real power of language doesn't always come from big, complex words. As Basic English shows us, there is incredible strength in clarity. By boiling our language down to its essential parts, we can actually make our ideas more direct, more accessible, and in the end, way more powerful. And that really leaves us with something to chew on, doesn't it? We just saw how a word as common as bulb can open the door to this huge idea about global understanding. It just makes you wonder, if a simple word can hold an idea that big, what other secrets are we missing in the things we see every single day?